Are you spending a lot on your ads but not seeing the sales that you expect? We helped a business that was in the same boat turn their ad spend into over $13 million in sales this past year alone. They were spending over $1 million on ads, but their sales were dropping and their ads just weren't delivering. The problem? They weren't actually tracking sales, just meetings. Their keywords were too broad, their ads were stale, and they weren't focusing on high quality leads. Does that sound familiar? So we stepped in and made some changes. And here's what we did. First, we moved all their landing pages to HubSpot to put all their data in one place and fix their tracking so they could focus on real sales, not just clicks or meetings. We shut off their underperforming campaigns and introduced smarter strategies like bid sharing, focused keywords, and dynamic search ads. And guess what? It worked. They went from wasting money to making $13.4 million in sales over the past 12 months. Their return on ad spend, 857%. Now it's your turn. This isn't magic. It's knowing what to focus on and tracking what actually matters. And the good news, you can do this too. So let's chat. Join our Google Ads workshop on October 24th from 3 to 5 p.m. Eastern Time, where we'll teach you these exact same strategies. You'll also get 1 hour of hands-on guidance to tackle your ad challenges in our live Q&A. Now, we are only offering 10 spots for this private workshop to make sure everyone comes away with clear next steps that they can start implementing the very same day. Spots fill up fast, so don't wait. Grab yours now. I can't wait to help you make more sales with less. I'll see you in the workshop.